So let's take a moment to breathe into meditation, to just get centered, to just open our hearts to where we are in this moment, to humble ourselves. There is an intention, sweet spirit. There's a vision, a longing, or a desire within. Let me be pulled by that vision. Let me be lifted and carried into the change that is for my highest growth. Let my intentions be radiant, honorable, sacred. Let thy help be visible, tangible, graceful. Let my willingness be full, trusting, mindful. Here I am. I release and I let go. I move to the depths of my being to call forth all that is within me. A mighty expansion, mind, body, spirit, so that I may discontinue the cycle of enabling, the cycle of discord or lack, complacency. And I may elevate and activate all that I am, all that I am intended to be, all that I came here to express as a child of the infinite. That I may be of service to this world of beloveds, to the people, the animals, the creatures, the nature, the waters, the world, the ethers, the expressions and expansions of consciousness in this thing we call life. Let me be awake. May I be aware. I am mindful. Inhaling and exhaling into the silence. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we're born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.